guys, what's up? I'm at my friend Milan's house right now on Oahu, and I have some exciting news. I just got offered to go to Vegas for a few days, so I will definitely be vlogging that. But in the meantime, I'm going to tell you about some fun things that I got recently, some biohacking things, and I'm going to show you my friend's fashion show that she's putting on. It's like a sustainable fashion show. Everything's made from recycled clothing. This is just the normal vlog before I go off to Vegas. Anyways, I have to go back home to Maui first before I go to Vegas, so I'm just enjoying my last few days on Oahu, but yeah. So I picked up some exciting things at the store. I'm gonna show you really fast what I got. It was from a little apothecary store, and I got this ashwagandha dropper. I'll put what it does on the screen.
Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb with multiple health benefits. It can reduce anxiety and stress, help fight depression, boost fertility and testosterone in men, and even boost brain function.
And I got this adaptogens. They're all made in Maui, which is funny because I'm from Maui. These adaptogens are cool. Astragalus, holy basil, other things. And then I got this guasha. It's rose quartz, and the shape is a little weird, but she said it would be good to like really hit areas. You know what I mean. So I do love that it's rose quartz, and I wish I had the name of this place, but it's in Kamuki, and it's on the second story, and it's an apothecary, so you should totally go check that out. I already have my makeup done. I've never done this white eyeliner, but I'm kind of vibing with it. Anyways, I'm gonna go put on my clothes, and then I will show you what it's like. I should save this for the haul, but it's fine. Ah! Oh my god. You go back in there, beauties. I'll be wearing this today. Ready, queen? So I think it's inside of Goodwill. I think it's gonna be legit though. Memes is legit. I don't know where to enter. Can we call her?
Or I'll call Gabe. I feel like she's busy.
Okay. Can I do this?
I looked like a carrot top.
Oh my god.
So then I got a fade.
You bleached
now,
the whole thing?
Yeah, but I like kept bleaching it, and
this is Gabe. I'm vlogging, so you're gonna be okay with it. It's John. Hey. Only in Hawaii. Bento boxes. Eggplant. So apparently they're filming for the news, and we're gonna be on the news, but we didn't know that. And we're gonna be here for 3 hours.
Oh, she's fresh. Oh, I love those.
She picked up the mochi. Oops. She picked up this mochi at 8 a.m.
My idea.
Just for everybody.
Also, later you guys can go take selfies in that selfie wall because I made that too.
We'll definitely do that.
All the illustrations on the donor wall plaques in that hallway are also done.
So basically, Milan is the CEO of Goodwill. Oh, really? I'll play lunch while you are on the news.
This is great content.
It is great content. I'm gonna be on the news.
Go ahead, count to 10 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
it's the G-O-O.
Milan did the whole wall. It looks good.
It does. I was literally...
Damn. My friends are so talented. So I made it back to Milan's, and now we're just gonna cook and have dinner, and I'll be shooting in the morning pretty early, so I'm gonna get up really early for that. Stop. up at 5:30 honestly to get ready for the shoot that I had with the Rice Boss, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I go to Vegas in the next few days, so I'm just gonna finish out my life on Oahu and eat these because I deserve them and I made money today. Now he's just helping me style my haul.
Wait, but if you put a little bit of cloth, you can still get some of the light coming in. Whereas if you put a board, it should start.
Why don't we try it and see how it looks?
Good idea, Memesy. I'm begging you. There's a rainbow. There's a fucking rainbow. So I don't know if you guys know this, but Hawaii is full of native Hawaiian Christmas trees, and we're about to go visit one. Wait. Native Hawaiian Christmas tree. What?
Is this like a zone?
This is a zone. This is where like the cool kids hang out and smoke weed and shit. Our future fruit. Future free.
So I text the speed.
What is it?
We got so familiar.
So we got like 5 things. We got 5 things. I'm like salivating from those drinks. We literally just stumbled on a cat cafe. Oh my god, we should go in here tomorrow.
I'm so down. Remind me to take my allergy.
Oh, you're so cute. Your allergy medicine?
Yeah. Sometimes I'm allergic. This one's.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
We'll have so much fun.
The amount of shit that I just went through to get on this flight is actually ridiculous. Apparently the airport is getting inundated, which means they're getting taken to jail or something.
Hawaiian Airlines Flight 336 is boarding. The Centers for Disease Control. Whenever you're seated, in case of unexpected turbulence. And one final reminder.